Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon. You might have heard of phones having 5000 mAh batteries, 10,000 as well, and there was one with 13,000 mAh battery last year, but this time this is ridiculously high. This is the Energizer's 18,000 mAh battery smartphone, that is the Energizer Power Max P18K Pop. It's ridiculously big. You can check out how thick it is. It's even hard to hold the phone for in your hand, and if you actually hold it for a few minutes, your hand will actually need a rest. So this is that thick 18,000 mAh battery smartphone, which is the world's highest battery capacity right now on any smartphone, and it in a way is practically useless because you won't be able to even fit it in your pocket or use it practically in regular conditions. But that is something as a record: 18,000 mAh battery in a smartphone, and this runs the Android 9 Pie, and it has everything so well packed that the front has an actual bezel-less display. It's a very wide display, and there's a pop-up selfie camera, and there's a swipe fingerprint sensor on the side of the phone. And on the back, there's a triple rear camera combination with a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel combination. And this is the basic stock Android with the lit skin that is given over for a few changes from how it looks like from the stock Android. But the main point here is about the battery. It's 18,000 mAh that can be charged with the USB Type C, and it has the fast charging, though it might still take hours and hours to charge the phone fully. And it can work as a power bank, obviously, because most of the phones now with high battery capacities can work as a power bank for charging the other devices around. But here with 18,000 mAh, imagine how many times can you actually charge your primary smartphone. This is the camera, that's a triple camera combination on the back of the phone, and on the front there is that pop-up selfie camera, which is again a dual camera where you have the secondary one, that's a 2 MP camera to support the 16 megapixel selfie camera for the depth recognition and portrait selfies. And the camera seems to be fine enough. It won't matter much here because it still is a phone that will be known for only one thing, that is the battery, 18,000 mAh battery. And the battery stats here are weird, though it is such a high capacity battery. The battery stat says that it was charged 6 days ago and it has 18% of charge left, but it was only about 6 to 7 hours of screen on time that was being shown here, which is common for a 4000 mAh battery smartphone, 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. But that is what it is. We aren't sure about how good the software is, and this could be an early prototype or early device, beta testing device, because at least this time it's good that Energizer has a working product in their hand. Last time the 13,000 mAh battery phone was not actually a phone, it was just the dummy device that they showcased at the MWC. But this time at least there's a phone that is working and that is being showcased here at the Mobile World Congress. And this is all about the Energizer Power Max P18K Pop, the 18,000 mAh battery smartphone that has the Helio P70 chipset and a 6.2-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display with the Full HD Plus resolution. So that is it about this phone. If you have any questions, do let me know and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.